Hello and welcome to Virtual Visit SEAMK Week 2025. I'm Rebecca Loma and I'll be your guide as we explore the exciting world of studies, student life, and innovation here at SEAMK University of Applied Sciences in Finland. Today, I'm joined by Elisa Kannasto. She's the head of the SEAMK Master School, and she's here to share her insights and experiences with us about the Master School program, Social Services, Healthcare Development, and Management. So let's dive in.
Yes, thank you for having me.
Thanks for coming, Elisa. So, what makes this program unique? And can you tell a little bit about the program in general?
Well, in this program, we wanted to combine our strengths. So, first of all, we have a long tradition in social and healthcare and teaching that in the bachelor level. And there's a lot of development with digitalization and a lot of understanding in research for and also management in healthcare. And then we are combining it together with some of the best things in our international business management program. Okay. So understanding how processes can be managed better and how they can be developed, how research in this field. So we're combining the business understanding together with the social and healthcare development.
Yes, great to hear. Can you explain a little bit like how the blended learning model works in practice for these students?
So we are focusing on providing the studies mainly on Fridays and Saturdays, sometimes Thursdays, so that the students could actually work while they are studying. Also in this program, there's a lot of online learning, so they can do studies either from home at real time, working via Teams or Zoom, or then they can actually do complete online studies that can be more managed independently. And then also intensive classes are offered so that you book these certain times and you do the whole class in 1 week, for example, in our BIP programs, which are the international collaboration that we do with different universities.
Okay, so it's very flexible.
Yes.
And personalized
Yeah.
learning path the students can choose according to their daily lives and work schedules.
Yeah, and they can tailor through different electives how they want to do their studies and also which things they want to focus on.
Sounds great. Great. Can you describe how the program addresses, for example, current global challenges or issues in healthcare?
Well, this is a new program, so obviously it's been just developed to fit the needs that work life in this sector right now needs. We're constantly working with working life and finding what is there, what are the current steps. We're looking at the environment that's happening, digitalization, crisis management, the need for understanding better communication in management and all that. So we're working with professionals on the field and of course with our very current research that we have a big research group in this field in our in SEAMK. So with this we can actually provide something that's very current in the global environment of this field.
Yeah, interesting. How do you see, do we have any collaboration that exists with the local players or international health organizations, for example?
Yeah, our teachers work all the time with, of course, this area because they also do that collaboration in the bachelor level. So now we can extend their knowledge into master level as well. And obviously we are then finding new collaboration universities among the field and also the global players.
Yes, great. What kind of student profiles are you looking for? Or what kind fit into this program?
Students who are willing to develop their research abilities and their abilities to be really kind of leading the sector and developing it and managing not only processes but people. So people who believe in wanting to make change. And also people who are ready to be part of our community and to be working in an international environment. That would be our ideal candidate.
Yeah, great. And on that point of international environment, Can you explain like how we here at SAMK foster the multicultural and inclusive learning environment?
Yes, so we constantly develop our staff skills and also the student skills in understanding these international encounters. And we have a lot of student and staff exchange. We have different kinds of global programs, like intensive courses, for example, collaborating with different universities in Europe, also the US.
Yes.
We promote exchange programs. So we have about 200 collaborating universities around the world. So that's pretty spectacular. Also, in just recent years, our community has grown into was it 13% of our students being international. So I personally love that about us because it really brings a big change into both our university and the area.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, it is. It is.
I
great.
Could go on and on.
Great
about
to see.
This.
Yeah. It's an important topic and relevant. Like we are growing our numbers and our student, and it's great to hear that our the exchange programs are available and the staff exchange and
we keep also recruiting international staff, which is awesome. And of course the Heroes Alliance being part of this European university collective with 9 other European universities. That is something that's going to really change the game for us.
Yeah, it's very special indeed. Do you have any tips for prospective students that are thinking, okay, this sounds very interesting, I want to apply to SAMK, to this master program?
So for this degree program, we have developed an admission course. So you're not doing an exam that's only for one time. You have this 1 month of completing the tasks that are in there. So you can actually take your time and prepare during that month and do your tasks at the provided time. The most important things would be to follow the time structure that's been given there, because there's no flexibility. We're kind of measuring also your ability to focus on how our classes are also running normally. Having the technical equipment, good microphone, good video camera and that stuff. So you can finish tasks online, because we are doing the course in the Moodle platform that we normally use for the courses. So this is all part of getting already integrated into our learning systems. Then read the instructions that are provided. And then, of course, for the official part of the application, make sure that you meet the eligibility and that you have the documents prepared and that you deliver them. And I think that's it.
Yeah. Great tips. Very important. And for one thing that comes to my mind about the student profiles, we'll go back to that. So this is the social service and healthcare development and management program. So is it like nurses or physiotherapists? I mean, what kind of backgrounds are they coming from or are
Yes.
able
Sorry about interrupting.
Yeah, it's okay. I can come to the program.
So basically you need to have a bachelor's degree that we would also provide here. So bachelor in nursing, bachelor in physiotherapy would be ideal for the healthcare part, or then social work bachelor. These would be really good base studies for the program, because then obviously you are getting a master's degree in that field. So then having a bachelor's within that would be necessary. And then in addition to that, you need 24 months, so 2 years of work experience, which is something that we can't really be flexible about. 23 months is not enough, because this is required by law, not just us.
Exactly. It's a national level. And so, for example, the 24 months of working experience, is it after they graduate?
Yes.
With their bachelor's degree.
After they have graduated from that specific bachelor degree.
Yes.
So basically, if you've done a a bachelor's degree in, let's say, business before, and then done this, and then only worked for a year, that's not enough.
Exactly. And then the practical trainings are quite a lot. It's in the nursing programs, for example.
Yeah, in the
these
bachelor.
we don't count.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So that's good to clarify to the prospective students, and we hope they get excited about this program, and we're looking to welcome you here. We're looking forward to welcoming you here at SEAMK. And do you have any other last minute words you want to say?
That's a tough question.
Anything else to say?
Yeah, basically, this program is very flexible, but it is tough work. It is a master level program, and it would give you also eligibility later to apply, for example, for doctoral studies.
Yes.
So this gives you a very good kind of base to continue on your career wherever you want to go, working in an international NGO or developing your own healthcare business at home, or then continuing to become a researcher in the field. So we really aim to give kind of a good base for all the possible careers one can imagine.
Yes, great, thanks. Sounds exciting and amazing, and I hope we get lots of good applications for the next opening and round. And thanks for sharing your insights. And for those watching, I hope this gave you a glimpse into what makes Seinäjoki City, SEAMK, very special to live in and study here with us. But stay tuned. There's more interviews coming up throughout the week.